The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
And when you has praise as your lifestyle, when things go wrong, you're not going to say dirty clot. You're not going to say blood clot. When things go wrong, you're going to say praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Hallelujah. Praise the Lord. When somebody irritates you, you must say your blood clot this and your blood clot that. You say praise the Lord.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one, you see it? And right about now, viewers and subscribers, I have some videos that I'm going to present to you. You know, these videos, they are all out on social media. You get what I mean? And you know, according to the comments that I've seen about these videos, that's what I'm saying to you. I get to understand that some persons on social media find some of these videos to be funny, you know, and some persons find some of these videos to be not funny. You know, some of these videos, persons on social media find them to be informative, and other things have been said about these videos as well. Is what I'm saying to you. Now, I'm presenting these videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at these videos. You can also tell me what you think about these videos, and to also keep you up to date and make you know what's going on. Alright, or as Jamaicans would say, to make you know what go on. You see, I just presented a video to you that shows of a person preaching, and the person used words that Jamaicans would consider those words to be inappropriate or bad words. You get me? Now, I'm going to show you one of these videos now, viewers and subscribers, and according to what has been said about this video on social media, is that this video shows of persons that are said to be members of the Jamaica Defense Force, and one of those persons that is said to be a member of the Jamaica Defense Force had said some things to a person that is said to be a civilian. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, viewers and subscribers, please bear in mind that this video contains some harsh languages that might not be suitable for everyone, you see me? So the following scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now take a look, listen, and observe.
We not go for road back a man. Say that. You have a woman. You have a woman stay in a fuck and eat some food. And talk to like son of batty man.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. You know, this video is out on social media. Comments have been made about this video on social media that shows of persons that are considered to be members of the Jamaica Defense Force and a person that is said to be a civilian. You see me? And you can let me know what you think about that video, viewers and subscribers. And with that, I'm going to move on to another video now. You see it? Now, this video, it's out on social media, and according to what has been said about this video, is that this video shows of a snake that had wrapped around some electrical wires. And according to some of the things that has been said about this video on social media, is that this had happened within the parish of St. James, that is of the country of Jamaica. You see me? Now, this video out on social media where some persons are saying them never see snakes so big in a Jamaica yet, you see me? But other persons are saying yes, and we even see bigger than that before, you see me? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, you know, I'm presenting this video to you so that you can have a look at it, and you know, you can also tell me what you think about you know, this video. You see me? It's not really a long video, you know, viewers and subscribers, you know, but you know, it gives you the idea as to the size snake and you know, the situation a little bit. You get what I'm saying to you? Now, for those who might be afraid of snakes or scared of snakes, you see me, the following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now take a look, listen, and observe. Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it, the video that shows of a snake, you know, somewhere within the country of Jamaica. You get what I'm saying to you? And with that, I'm going to move on to another video, you see me, Now, this video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, according to some of the comments that I've seen about this video on social media, it would seem as if some persons find this video to be funny while others find it to be not funny. You see what I'm saying to you? And other things have been said as well about this video. You see me? Now, this video, according to what has been said about this video on social media, is that this video shows of a person who had been told to run by the police within the country of Jamaica. You get what I'm saying to you? Now, viewers and subscribers, really and truly, me listen to the video, me look at the video, you see me? And it seems as if there is more than one police officers that was in the background of the video talking. Now, I'm going to present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and you can also tell me what you think. You see me? You can also tell me if you hear more than one police officers in the background of the video talking. You see what I'm saying to you? Alright, so as I'm about to present this video to you, you know, for those who might not like to see something like this, the following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, now take a look, listen, and observe.
You can run? Start run now. And don't make a car pass you. If you ever make it come in like that, if you make a car pass it's in the dead.
Dog bad. Don't you do it.
Where are you? Where they? Where they?
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. You know, the video that is out on social media where it is said that a person had been told to run by the police within the country of Jamaica. You see me? Alright, now here is another video that I'm going to present to you. You see me? And you know, this video shows of a person, and according to what has been said about this video on social media is that this person is talking about flatulence and a virus. You see me? Now, according to some of the comments that had been made about this video on social media, it would seem as if this person is talking about the coronavirus, or you could say COVID-19 as well, and flatulence. Yeah, like when someone pass wind. You see me? Yeah, I really and truly want to explain it to you, but I don't really know how to explain this to you as discreetly as possible. You get what I'm saying to you? So therefore, I'm going to present this video to you so that you can listen to what this person have to say. And you can also tell me what you think, viewers and subscribers. And you know, for those who might not like to hear certain things being talked about, you see me? The following video contains some languages that might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now, take a look, listen, and observe.
Me I tell you, people. Them said, when you sneeze, you catch a virus. But sneeze, you come from your body. But what me see it now as a bush doctor, whenever you poop, otherwise you call it fart, that is a virus too. So, whenever they run on people, don't make them poop and you inhale it for yourself, and it stinks.
Now, viewers and subscribers, you know what that person had said, you see me never even think about that. That not even crossed my mind. You see me? But, really and truly though, now that it really crossed my mind, I'm thinking. You get what I'm saying to you? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, you know, I'm about to present the last piece of video to you, my viewers and subscribers. It's a short piece of video, you see me? And you know, this video I'm going to actually leave it with you. Here's what I'm saying to you. This video is going to show off the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who is Mr. Andrew Holness, and something had happened while Mr. Andrew Holness was at a virtual conference. You see me? Some persons might call it a virtual press conference. He was talking or something, you see me? But something had happened, viewers and subscribers. You know, actually I'm going to leave this video with you, my viewers and subscribers, you know, and you can also tell me what you think about this video. You see what I'm saying to you? Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
How society works, they are.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall, skilla entertainment.